Yo, what is going on, everyone? Good morning. Just hopping on here. Gonna go over this week's watch list quickly for you guys. Got a good amount of stocks we're watching this week, so yeah, let's dive into it. First thing I'm watching this week is Tesla. It looks really good on the hourly chart. You know, we broke out back here. We've kind of been consolidating above this support line here. And now we're looking to break out of last week's high to the upside. So we're now holding above 700 again. And now I'm looking for the 716.96 break to enter calls, and then we can hopefully head back up towards 729.90, which will be the big break. So heavy eyes on Tesla. Next thing I'm watching is Amazon. Today I'm watching both the 336 62.80 level as well as the 3370 level, and then this week overall the main level I'm watching is 3390 to get that gap fill to the upside. Amazon was extremely bullish last week. As you can see, 4 out of the 5 days last week were green. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this week, because when Amazon runs, it likes to run. So yeah, I have no doubt we'll keep going on this. So next I'm watching is Snow. Snow looks like it's down pre-market, which is totally fine, but overall just watching for that high of last week. We broke out of 292, which was awesome, and now we just need to break above 307.42. Nvidia, another one I'm watching for the all-time high break. We had this symmetrical triangle formation here, got a breakout on Friday, and now we gapped up big time pre-market and after hours. So looking for the 228.80 break on this today for calls. Next thing I'm looking at is actually a swing. You could also day trade this if you wanted to, but Microsoft has been holding tight in this downward channel here, and it has broken out now. To get that confirmation, I want to see a break above 301.40, and I'll get a starter position going on calls for a swing trade. And this would also be a good day trading level as well, because it had a nice gap up, so a continuation above that pre-market high looks really nice for a day trade as well. Next I'm watching is Shopify. Be careful trading this one. The spreads are very big on the options, so just keep an eye out for that. Shopify had this big channel here. We broke out. Now we're kind of consolidating, forming like a flag here. So when you see a break to the upside, the main level I want to see break and hold is 1560. You know, got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here. No candles closed above, so should be a hard level to break. But yeah, we should see a nice pop up, even if it doesn't like hold each time it broke. It had a nice push up, so besides this day, but that's because it was such a big day already. So you could enter this early for the flag breakout, but I'll probably wait for that 1560 level to enter Shopify. Next I'm watching is Palantir. This thing got really tight last week. You know, we were hanging out here, and then we broke out on Friday. Looks like we're holding up here. Now we just need to see a continuation above this high, Friday's high. Facebook, eyes on this. On the daily, you know, we're consolidating here, and we broke out last week. I know I called this one out on last week's watch list video. So now going into today, watching for Friday's high break as well as the 375 break, that psychological hold number there, and then from there, key level we're watching is the all-time high. So we could most definitely see an all-time high on Facebook this week. Ideally, I would like to see a little breathing go on here before we get that all-time high break, instead of just breaking out. And I would like to see this break next week, but it doesn't matter what I want. Just be ready to play whatever happens. So UPST, another one I watch, broke all-time highs pre-market here. So now I'm going to wait for that break of 228.11 to enter calls today. And the last one I'm watching is Bbig. had a massive push Friday and continued up after hours and actually hit 1060. So broke that all-time high back here. Didn't hold it, but yeah, I'll definitely keep an eye on this today. Obviously crazy mover, but something like this could most definitely break out here, break 1060 and push up to, I don't know, endless number. Could push up to 20 if it wanted to. So definitely be keeping an eye on this. Could be a crazy mover. Play this safe if you haven't played stuff like this before. I'll be playing it fairly safe, just because I don't trade stuff like this super often. So, all right, that is all for today. Hope you guys have a great day trading, and I will see you